Hey guys, welcome back to Versatile Knowledge, and this is the first video of 2021, and in this video I'm going to be talking with you guys about the Gcam for the LG G8X ThinQ smartphone. So this is my LG G8X ThinQ. If you guys know that the LG's service has been extremely disappointing and I have still not got the replacement glass for the LG G8X ThinQ. While we get that replaced, we are continuing the videos on LG G8X ThinQ, and this video will be about the best Gcam for the LG G8X smartphone. It is available on open sale on Amazon and Flipkart for around 29,000 rupees. You can just go ahead and buy it if you are interested in this smartphone. And Gcam for LG G8X ThinQ will be uploaded along with the configuration file in a public Google Drive link, and I'll be leaving that link in the description below. If you guys just visit that link, you can go ahead and download the Gcam for your smartphone. If you guys just see over here, I've already downloaded the Gcam, and also I've already downloaded the configuration file for the LG G8X ThinQ. As I said earlier, these two files will be available in a public Google Drive link in the description. We have to install this Google camera right now, and also we have to just set up the configuration files for this Gcam. I'll be showing you guys how you can do it right away. Once you have downloaded the Google camera and the configuration files, just go to your files application and just click on the Google camera over here, and it will say files by Google. You have to set the permission to install from unknown sources for this application. Just allow from this source and come back and click on install, and the Google camera will be installed on your smartphone. As you can see, the snack bar appeared over there and it says the Google camera is installed. And as you guys can just see, the Google camera has been installed on our smartphone LG G8X, and I'll just open the Google camera and I'll just set all the permissions guys over here. Just allow. All the permissions has been set for the Google camera on the LG G8X. And one important thing is, now we have to go ahead and install the configuration file for Gcam. If the configuration file is not available, what happens is all those settings or all those best practices that you need to do for Google camera, you would have to be manually setting up on your device. Instead, what I have done is I have found the best configuration file that is available for the LG G8X, and also have uploaded that XML on the same Google Drive link. So once you have downloaded the Gcam and installed, the next step what you have to do is again go to your files application. Just go to the files app over here, and as you can see, this is the configuration file, right? What you have to just do is just come to the home screen of your file application. So this is the home screen of our files app, right? So we have all these Android, DCIM, download, and all other folders that is present over here. Now what we have to do in this folder is just go to the three dots menu and click on add new folder. So if you're using some other file manager and you know how to add the new folder, just go ahead and add the new folder and name the new folder as Gcam. So the new folder has been named as Gcam. Just create the new folder. As you guys can see, the Gcam folder has been created. Go inside the Gcam folder, and inside the Gcam folder we have to create the second folder. So this is the two folder structure that we are doing, guys. As you can see, we have to create another folder. Just click on add new folder and name this folder as configs7. Type config7 and just enter create folder. So as you guys can see, this is the home screen of our file manager, and once we go to the Gcam and we have the config7. So this is a two file structure that is available. Now go to the downloads folder, and in the downloads folder we have the XML file that is the configuration file for the LG G8X ThinQ. Just long press on this and just move or copy this configuration file inside that config7 folder. Just go to here, click on copy to, go to internal storage, go to Gcam over here, go to config7 and click on copy here. Configuration file has been copied successfully to our Gcam folder or the config7 folder over here, guys. As you can see, inside the config7 folder, inside Google camera, we have the configuration file XML that is available. So guys, we have successfully installed the Google camera, and also we have installed the configuration file for the Google camera. Just clear all the items, and now we have to just go ahead and open the Google camera and just check out all the features that is available. So this is the Gcam with the configuration files available, guys. Now we have to just install the configuration files, or we have to just restore the configuration files inside our Gcam APK. So in order to do that, what you have to do is just open the Gcam APK, and there is this empty region right in between the shutter button and also the gallery option. Just double click over here, and once you double click over there, you will get an option to choose the configuration files. As you can see, there is an option to choose the configuration files. Just click on restore, and Google camera will restore the configuration files and restart itself successfully. As you can see, the app has got refreshed and it got restarted. Now that means the config files has been successfully installed on our Gcam on the LG G8X ThinQ smartphone. Now we have all the best settings and best possible options that is present for the LG G8X ThinQ, customized exactly for your requirements. This is the place where you can just start shooting some amazing photographs using the Gcam. Now what we'll have to do is we have to make some tiny adjustments here and there, which I actually think is very important before taking some amazing photographs. I actually turn off this motion option, guys. I just turn off this motion option. Just click on turn off motion, and there is this option called HDR plus enhanced. I turn it on, HDR plus enhanced. Also I just go to the settings over here, and in the settings I just keep 3x3 grid. That's it. Only 3 options I do, guys. All the other options are automatically enabled with the help of our configuration files. Now what we can do is we can just straight away go ahead and shoot some amazing photographs using the Google camera. I'll be showing just a few samples for you guys how Google camera can make a difference. One important problem Google camera will help you to solve is that the front camera on the LG G8X ThinQ is kind of blurry. Front camera on the LG G8X ThinQ has the length of focus which is set to a little far distance. That means if you keep the front camera on this device, if you keep it very near to your face, it will not be as clear as it will be on other devices. This problem can be minimized at least by 50% when we are using the Google camera on the LG G8X ThinQ. As you guys are seeing, these are some of the photographs that has been taken using the Gcam on the LG G8X ThinQ, and the quality of the photos have improved a lot. One thing to say is that the normal camera itself is extremely superb in terms of taking photographs on the LG G8X ThinQ on the rear camera, but when it comes to the front camera, there was an issue of blurring. But when we are using the Gcam, that problem at least gets solved by 50%, and the quality of the photographs that comes from the front camera of the Gcam on the LG G8X ThinQ is exceptional. As you guys just saw, the photographs that was taken from the LG G8X ThinQ using the Gcam are exceptional. And one thing to say is that the night sight of the Gcam is just unbeatable. No matter what smartphone you're using in terms of Android department, the night sight on the Gcam on any device you use just can't be matched with any night mode of the default camera applications. When you go to the night sight mode of the Gcam on this device, there is an option to turn on the astrophotography. As you guys just saw, when I just pulled down from the top, there is this astrophotography mode. When you just turn on the astrophotography mode and you point it towards the stars by keeping it on a tripod, it will take somewhere around 4 minutes to take the photos of the stars that is present in the night sky. It will find the stars that is present in the night sky and it will give you some amazing results. You can try it out for yourself. And also one important thing is there is an option to turn on the Google Auto White Balancer. So just keep it on all the time. That will help you to enhance the quality of photos as well. That's it for this very quick video of the LG G8X ThinQ's Gcam. I'll be covering even more videos. I am very sorry that I'm late to the party of LG G8X videos. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.